Hi everyone, welcome back to RTS, and today what are we going to do? We're going to announce our Thankful for You and giveaway winner. That's what we're going to do. So without further ado, let's get cracking, let's get with it. And I have my iPad here and I have my YouTube random comment picker open, and I'm absolutely going to paste my link to my giveaway, and let's just hit load comments. And it will do its work here, and let's see who the winner is. Okay, so it is loading the comments, and it's loading, and it says click button below to pick a winner. So are you ready? You want me to hit that button? Should I do that now? Okay, let's do that. Randomly pick a winner. Okay, here we go. Brenda. Oh my goodness, Brenda, you are the winner. Yes, absolutely. How dear is that? She is one of my lovely subscribers. She is about as dear as can be. It leaves me so much encouragement. Oh, so excited for you, Brenda. Absolutely. Now, here's the thing. Brenda, I will have my email listed below, and you can absolutely send me an email. This is awesome. I bet she's jumping up and down right now. So congratulations, Brenda. You are the winner. And honestly, like I said in the video, every one of you is a winner in my book because you give me so much love and kindness. I appreciate that. And along with that, everything that you gals posted in that comment, I will be printing out, because there was some people that left me comments that I was reading and I was like, are they talking about me? Do they think that about me? I encourage people that much. It just warmed my heart. Such a blessing. So congratulations, Brenda. Send me an email. I'll get all this lovely stuff all packaged up just for you. Yes, and you can absolutely, and I'm challenging you to use this page. Yes, we'll do it together. How's that? Okay, so again, congratulations, Brenda. So excited for you, and thank you to every one of you who absolutely just left such nice comments. And also the words of encouragement just means so much to me. You have no idea. And I'm absolutely going to be doing a layout about that. So keep an eye out for that, and keep an eye out for everything that's coming up. Hit that notification bell. And that's all I have for today. So come back to RTS, because yes, you guessed it, you never know what we're gonna do. Bye.